Unit 2B equations and inequality test. Number 1, x divided by 4 equals negative 12. Number 2, negative 9b equals 54. 3, x plus negative 5 is greater than or equal to 13. Select all the values for x that make the inequality true. 4, 8 plus g equals negative 38. 5, 5x is less than or equal to 30. 6, x minus 4 is less than or equal to negative 11. 7, 13 equals z minus 4. 8, 8z equals negative 64. Number 9, x plus 8 equals negative 40. 10, g divided by negative 4 is greater than 12. Number 11, determine if the value for z makes the inequality true. Write yes or no. Z plus 12 is greater than 70. Z equals 55. Number 12, the piano recital will be no more than 70 minutes long. Which inequality represents all possible values for x, the number of minutes the recital can be? A, x is less than 70. B, x is less than or equal to 70. C, x is greater than 70. Or D, x is greater than or equal to 70. (13) Which of the following makes the equation true? B divided by 4 equals 16. A, 64. B, 4. C, 16. D, 8. 14. An equation is modeled below using algebra tiles. Which value of x makes the equation true? A, x equals 7. B, x equals negative 7. C, x equals 13. D, x equals negative 13. 15. An elevator has a maximum weight allowance of 2,400 pounds. Write the inequality that represents the situation. 16. The number line represents the solution to which inequality? A, x is less than or equal to 11. B, x is less than or equal to 7. C, 7 is less than or equal to x. D, 1 divided by 7 is less than or equal to x. 17. Which situation best represents the equation below? X minus 15 equals 60. A, Sandy collects seashells. She had 60 shells, but then she gave away 15 shells. How many shells does Sandy have in her collection? B, Mr. Young is 15 years younger than his brother. His brother is 60 years old. How old is Mr. Young? C, the school band is selling raffle tickets. They have already sold 15 tickets and have 60 remaining. How many raffle tickets did they begin with? D, Danielle measures a 15-inch length of rope and attaches it to another length of rope. Together, the two ropes are 60 inches in length. How long was the piece of rope that Daniela attached? 18. Determine which each factorization is or is not a prime factorization. 2 times 4 Interesting. Sorry about that. 2 times 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 2 cubed times 3. 19. Evaluate the following. 8 cubed. 20. Simplify the expression below. 7 squared plus 6 times negative 2. Bonus. You will get 2 extra points for each answer that is correct. Wrong answers in this section will not count against your final grade. 21. Negative 56 divided by negative 7. 22. Negative 32 divided by 8. 23. Negative 12 plus negative 9. 24. 11 minus 15. 25. Negative 6 times negative 12.